AMD Ryzen APUs pair strong CPU performance with built-in Radeon graphics, offering smooth everyday use and light gaming without a dedicated GPU. Starting at number 1. AMD Ryzen 7 8700G 8-core. The AMD Ryzen 7 8700G is a powerful desktop APU built on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz. Designed for the modern AM5 platform, it supports DDR5 memory and future upgrades while delivering the fastest integrated Radeon graphics available, making it ideal for gaming, multitasking, and content creation without a dedicated GPU. It also comes unlocked for overclocking and includes a premium AMD Wraithspire cooler for reliable performance right out of the box. Number 2. AMD Ryzen 7 5700G 8-core. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700G is a powerful 8-core, 16-thread desktop APU built on AMD's Zen 3 architecture, with speeds up to 4.6 GHz and support for DDR4 3200 memory on the AM4 platform. It features integrated Radeon Vega graphics, letting you play many popular games at 1080p without a separate GPU, and includes the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler for reliable everyday performance and multitasking across games, productivity, and creative tasks. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 7 9700X 8-core. The AMD Ryzen 7 9700X is a high-performance unlocked desktop processor based on AMD's Zen 5 architecture, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with a base clock of 3.8 GHz and boost speeds up to 5.5 GHz for fast gaming and demanding workloads. Designed for the modern AM5 platform with DDR5 5600 support and PCIe 5.0 connectivity, it delivers strong efficiency, 65W TDP, and overclocking potential, though it doesn't include a cooler. Its integrated Radeon graphics also provide basic display output without a dedicated GPU. Number 4. AMD Ryzen 5 8600G. The AMD Ryzen 5 8600G is a powerful Zen 4-based desktop APU with 6 cores and 12 threads, running up to 5.0 GHz and designed for the modern socket AM5 platform. It features integrated Radeon 760M graphics, letting you play many games and handle everyday tasks without a separate GPU, supports fast DDR5 memory, and comes unlocked for overclocking with an included AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, making it a great choice for compact or budget-friendly builds that still deliver strong performance. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 7 7700X 8-core. The AMD Ryzen 7 7700X is a high-performance unlocked desktop processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads on the modern AM5 platform, built with AMD's Zen 4 architecture. It runs at a base clock of 4.5 GHz and can boost up to 5.4 GHz, delivering strong performance for gaming, productivity, and content creation, with support for fast DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0 connectivity for future-ready builds. Although it doesn't include a cooler, its unlocked design lets you overclock and customize performance to suit your needs.